Hi guys, so we are at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, now the time is 10:57 on Saturday the 22nd of March 2015, this is for our 11:08, 1 Sierra 13 Virgin Trains East Coast service with Lincolnshire Cross to Edinburgh, expect past 10:55, so we're down about, we'll go about 15 minutes early for this. Not 15 minutes, quite. About nearly 10 minutes in front. But this is a skip drag, because our next train will probably be a skip drag, which is 1 Yankee 21, which is usually a 91. I'd like to see a first Virgin Trains East Coast painted train today. London King's Cross. Here she is. Skip drag! Yes! $67.22 again, and 91.113. $82.215, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.